Brothers in arms, my friends, we must gather here today, not to fight, but to celebrate peace. To celebrate tea. I think the song, like, that was like the climax, though. It doesn't do like a really big cinematic moment. Oh. Excuse me. Bless me. I feel like I sneezed right into the microphone that time.